Arthur's Jelly Beans. Arthur's Jelly Beans. Welcome to my Springfield party, Muffy and Nancy. The first game we're going to play is Wait, said Fern. Where's Arthur? There he is, said the brain. Francine sighed, he's so slow. Arthur makes Turtle look fast. Buster agreed. Hi, said Arthur. Am I late? Muffy blew her whistle. Let the game begin. First came the egg push. Egg went rolling over the place. Binky knocked his into the basket first. Arthur was last. With a nose like yours, you should have been first, said Francine. Next, came Bunny hopped. Ouch, my foot, cried Fern. Francine hopped across the finish line first. Arthur was last. Is it time for the refreshments yet? Buster asked. Almost, said Muffy. The final game is the Jelly Bean Hunt. Whoever collects the most jelly beans wins the great prize. What's the great prize? Said Binky. Muffy smiled. Ta-ta! And it is a salt chocolate. Wow, whispered the others. I want the chocolate eggs, Binky said. Who says you are going to win? Said the brain. I view my changes as excellent. Mine too, said Arthur. The other kids looked at each other. Then they burst out laughing. What's so funny? Asked Arthur. Francis said, It's just there. You're so slow. Everyone chipped in. Muffy passed out paper bags. You have 15 minutes to collect the jelly beans. Ready, said. Go out of my way, shouted Buster. Winter is coming through, said Frankie. Everyone raced around the yard. Everyone says Arthur. He hardly moved at all. I've already got 4, Fran yelled. Try 6, said Bray. 1, said Arthur. I've got 1. My bag is getting full, said Francie. I'm going to need a calculator to compute my total, the brain said. Muffy checked her stopwatch. 6 more minutes, she yelled. Can't we just start counting, said Buster. There can't be that many jelly beans left. Yay, said Binky. I was like a vacuum cleaner. I sucked up all the jelly beans in my path. No way, said Arthur. I'm still looking. Rules are rules, said Muffy said. 5 more minutes. Buster looked at his bag of jelly beans. I have so many, he thought. It couldn't hurt to each just one. Binky saw Buster eating a jelly bean. If Buster can spare one, so I can, he fired. Before long, Fern was dipping into her bag too. Then Francie, then the brain. Are these blue ones cotton candy? Asked Fern. I think so, said the brown ones. Are root beer, said Binky. Why aren't there any pink ones? Francie asked. Muffy blushed. I ate all the pink ones before the party. Then she looked down at her stopwatch. Oops, time up, she called. Everyone lined up and poured out their jelly beans. Muffy walked down the line counting Fern 7, the burn 6, 3 for you, Binky, and 9 for Frankie. Then she came to Arthur. 1, 2, 3, Muffy began. She kept crying, counting 12, 13, 14. Arthur, you won. I did, said Arthur. He did, said Francie. Muffy handed Arthur a big chocolate egg. I hope you help me eat this, said Arthur. Really, said Buster. Of course, said Arthur. I could never finish it after all. You know how slow I am. The end.